So yeah, again, New Haven style pizza. You definitely want to go for like a well done. That's why I put it under the broiler. Get that cheese kind of burnt a little bit. Let's get a close up. Wow, yeah, look at that. Too bad that broke as I took it out of the oven, but that's from the 2 days in the fridge. You get nice little air pockets, little bubbles on the crust. You can see that bright red, chunky San Marzano pizza sauce poking through the cheese. You know, if you don't like a well-done pizza, this is not your jam. But if you do, I mean, come on, right? That's looking pretty good. If you think it looks a little greasy, well, let's not forget I put that olive oil on just before it went in the oven, so that's all you're looking at there. And as it cools down, it'll cool off and that'll go away. Let's get a peek at the undercarriage here. Ooh, you hear that crunch? Nice. All right, we get the leoparding under there. That's from the steel. Looks great. All right, we're gonna let this cool off. We'll cut it up and get a final look. Enjoy, have fun, make pizza, and let's get a look. Gonna actually try it. Okay, so this is a chewy, crunchy, and chewy crust. We use the bread flour, so it's not super crispy. It is at the end. Look at the undercarriage. Beautiful. Really not a flop. You can see it's cooked all the way through. Lots of little air pockets, including that one right there. How good is that? Nice char on the edge. And like I said, it's not too greasy. You know, I did put olive oil on there. Anyways, let's stop talking and let's start eating. Here we go. Oh yeah. That's really good. Well worth the wait. I'm very pleased with the results. Let's get some crust here. Hold on. Love it. All right, so thanks again. Thanks for watching. I'm new to YouTube. I've been posting some pizza content, some homemade stuff, some silly frozen pizza tutorial review type things. Super silly. Feel free to like, subscribe. Please share this video. I have a Reddit pizza profile. That's Paper Thin Pizza. Go check me out. My link is on my YouTube. I have full descriptions with paragraphs explaining processes, techniques, ingredients, materials, all that stuff to make homemade New Haven style a-BEETZ. Thanks again.